Hi children, good morning to all. Thank you, very good morning. Had your breakfast? Yes. Now it's a reading time and writing. Is it? Open your second standard maths classwork. Okay. Now I want to take class for second standard children, maths subject, second chapter, numbers get bigger. Numbers get bigger. Mention today's date, 11th of August, day Tuesday. Okay. Already in a previous class, I taught about the place value of the numbers. Is it? That is, this is a ones place, tens place, hundred place. Is it? This is ones place, tens place, hundred place. You already learned in a last class exercise 3. Now I will teach you comparison. Comparison of 3-digit. Comparison of 3-digit number. Comparison means we have to take a greater, smaller sign. Greater and smaller sign. See how you see? First I will take a 3-digit number. How the 3-digit number? 763. I will write 463. Then here compare the number. Compare both the numbers. Here both the numbers are in 3-digit numbers. You see now. This is 1, ones, tens, 100. 100, right? This is also 10, ones, 100. Then which is bigger here? Compare the number of 3 digits. First we have to start by 100 place. This is also 100 place. This is also 100 place. 7, 4. Take here 7 and 4. Which is bigger here? Which is the greatest number, 7 or 4? Absolutely, 7 is greater than 4. So, see automatically 7 is greater than 4 means 763 greater than 463. Understood? So, I will take another example. See now. See, here 507, here 807. 507, 807. Compare 3 digit. Here also 3 digit, here also 3 digit. This is a ones place, tens place, 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. First you compare a 100 place. 5, 8. Which is bigger here? 5 or 8? Yes, 8 is greater than 5. So automatically 807 is greater than 507. Understood? Now you take a next example. 112. Here 112. How we are writing here? Compare 3-digit number. Put a sign here. 100 also place 1, 1. Tens place is also 1, 1. Ones place is also 2 and 2. So, both the 3 digits are same. Same means we should put equal sign. We should put here equal sign. Another one example I will show you. See here. 724. Here 736. Then you tell me now which is bigger. I already told how to compare the 3-digit number. 7 is in 100 place. Here 7 is in 100 place. This is in tens place. This is in ones place. This is also in ones place. This is in tens place. Hundred. Right. Then what you are doing here? First I told you to see the first number 100 place. Here 7 is also 100 place. Here also 7 is in 100 place. Then how to find here which is greater or smaller number? You see here, if both the 100 place are same numbers, if both the numbers are in same place, it is also 100 place, it is also 100 place. We have to go forward in tens place. You check the tens place. 2, 3. Take out here 2, 3. Take a tens place out. 2, 3. Automatically 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2 in a tens place because 100 place number are same. 7 and 7. So, I move to tens place. Now, just find out 2 and 3. Automatically 3 is greater than 2. So, you should write 736 is greater than 724. Understood? You should find like this the greater sign and a smaller sign. Okay. So, now write exercise 4. Exercise 4. Exercise 4. Exercise 4. See in your reader, they give a fill in the blanks with the symbols. Exercise 4. Will you do yourself? Exercise 4. Okay. Exercise 4. First one I will show you. 251. Here 272. Second 764. 769. Third 428. 982. Here see here they given box. I told you already, first you check the 100 place. Here also 2, here also 2. We can't check which is bigger and smaller. So, next we move for tens place. 5, 7. Which is greater, 5 or 7? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So, 272 is greater than 251. Understood? So, next number 100 place is same. Both the numbers are same. 7 and 7. Next 6 and 6 is also same in tens place. Listen carefully. 100 place numbers are same. 7 and 7. Again 6 and 6 in tens places are also same. So, next we move to ones place. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. In this we should find out which is a bigger number. 9 is a bigger number. So, mention the sign here. 769 is greater than 764. So, next problem you see 428. 428, 982. You see the 100 place first. 100 place 4, 9. They both are in 100 place. Which is bigger? Yes, 9 is bigger. So, 982 is greater than 428. You come to know 982 is greater than 482. Okay, remaining problems you do it yourself. Okay, write in classwork neatly. So next we move to descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Here I will write 763, 721, 714, 816. This is descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller number. Bigger to smaller. Like this. Bigger to smaller number. Bigger to smaller number. Understood? Now you see, check here how to write descending order. 3-digit numbers are there. In 3-digit number, how to find descending order? Just you see which is the first biggest number. Which is the first biggest number? See here, 763, 721, 714, 816. First you see, 100 place is same, 7, 7, 7. But here, 8 is a first bigger number because see, this is a 100 place, this is also 100 place, this is also 100 place. The three numbers are in a 100 place, 7, 7, 7. Last number is 816. So first you write 816. Why I wrote here 816? Because all these 3-digit numbers, the same numbers is having in the same places. 7 is in 100 place, 7 is in 100 place, 7 is in 100 place. But 8 is also in 100 place, but it is a biggest number. So biggest number, descending order means biggest to smallest. So I wrote first biggest number. Next, biggest to smallest. Second number, what should write? 7, 7, 7 are same here. So we should see the tens place now. We should move to tens place. 6, 2, 1. 6, 2, 1. Tens place 6, tens place 2, tens place 1. Which is a bigger here? 6, 2, 1. Which is bigger number? 763. Because 6 is the biggest number in tens place. Next number. Next you see, which is a next bigger number. See, tens place 7 is over, same as 6, 2, 1. I wrote here 6. Again 6 before number is 721, 714. 6 before 2, 2 before 1. Before means that the next number. Here only we should find out the before number. Before means then you don't write 763, 762. Before means in these numbers only we should find out the before number. This is a biggest to smallest number. Biggest to smallest. Okay, this is all about descending order. Okay, next you write a ascending order. How to write ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to bigger. Smaller to bigger. See. Smaller to bigger. In 3-digit number, how to find ascending order? 711, 101, 106, 413. First we have to write smaller number. Then which is smaller here? I already told you to check the digit, which place is having, which number is having a smallest place. See, it is 100 place, 100 place, 100 place, 100 place. But which is a smaller 100th place? Which is a smaller 100th place? See here, 1, 0, 6. Here 191 are in 100th place, but you see the tens place. 190. First we write a 0. Later we will write a 1. Because 191 is in 100th place. In these two numbers only we should sort out here. 191 is 100th place. 190 I am seeing in a tens place. This is a tens place. So I wrote 106 first, next 101, next 430, next 711. This is according to ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. So I will give you another example. You see, $324, $257, $435, $581. Ascending order. This you write in ascending order. See ascending order. First you see 100 place. 3, 2, 4, 5. This is a 100 place. Smaller number in this 100 place. Which is a smaller? 257. So next little bigger number 324. Next 435. Next 581. Smaller to bigger. Continuously you write it. Okay, see 324. Sorry, first is 257. First I wrote. Next little bigger. Smaller to bigger like this we should write 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an ascending order, smaller to bigger number. Understood? This is all about ascending order and descending order. Just you write in a classwork neatly. Understood? Next, this is a last one. See here. Page number 126. 126. 126. See, 126. Last, arrange the following in ascending order and descending order. Is there no? This one first is 324, 257, 435, 581. These numbers you should write in ascending order as well as in descending order. Both numbers you should write in ascending and descending, okay? Will you write? Yes. This is all about exercise 4. So next class I want to teach you exercise 5. Okay. Now up to this you write in classwork. Thank you.